Okay, so we have our pivot table here that will give us information, give us our logs. So, whoops, sorry. All right, and you click on the number and it all pops up. Remember, it pops up as a different cell, a different worksheet, so we do have to delete those every time. Now, I'm going to add in the ID numbers for 1 second just to make this a little bit easier. Whoops, and I don't want them to be a column. Just want them to go over here as a row, okay? Wait, what did I do here? Let's undo this. All right. So ID numbers, I don't want sum of ID, sorry. There we go. So now I can see the names and the ID numbers for each person. Now, say we want to enter some information on them, all right? So we're going to say, I don't know, we call Philip Turner and Patricia Washington's house. So we go over here to data, all right? Come down here and we have their ID numbers. Sorry, look at this sheet 3. So 10029, 10030. So remember, you want to tab over to continue your chart. 10029. Today's date is right here. And what happened? We called home. It was a wrong number. Tried mom's cell. Okay, great. And 10030. Same thing. Talk to parent. Described poor test performance. Okay. Whoops. Okay, good. So we have this. Awesome. We put the data in. You do have to remember to save it, all right, because you don't want to lose the data. Then we go back over here to our pivot table, and we look under Philip and Patricia. Great. Oh, wait, it's not there. What happened? Delete. And it's not here. So what's going on? So we added the new data. It's not popping up. Remember to delete it. Okay, it doesn't automatically update it. You need to refresh the page. All right. So when you're done entering the information, you want to go up here and hit the button for refresh all. Okay. Your other option would be Control Alt F5, which does not seem like the most convenient way to do anything. But if you like keyboard shortcuts, by all means you could do it. We click refresh all. All right. Then we go back, and we notice Philip and Patricia both have one more. So I double click, tried bomb cell. All right. The information pops up automatically. And then delete. And same thing here. Describe poor test performance. Okay. So they pop up. You just have to remember to refresh the information every time. It doesn't even matter if you save, close out, open up again. You still need to refresh the information when you use your pivot table. So that's right at the top here under data. The other option, of course, is Control Alt F5, which is not very convenient. But if that's the way you'd like to do it, by all means.